we have a whole lot of weather to talk about across our region today. Quite a range of conditions. Clear and increasing sunshine in the south, creating hot conditions. Up north, cloudy and cool. Fall-like temperatures, really, with thunderstorms exiting Lake of the Woods area. And we have some from Devil's Lake through the northern Red River Valley. We'll take you in first to this activity here through Ramsey County, all the way up into the Kittson County area. None of these storms are severe, but they do have a habit of producing, at times, some sizable hail. Reports of 1-inch diameter hail there near Devil's Lake. A lot of this activity is moving off to the north and east at a healthy clip of about 40 miles per hour. So if you're in Cavalier, you could see the thunderstorms over you now continue for the next 2 hours if that activity continues. Now, here's where we have pockets of hail, central Ramsey County, and then on the western fringes of Walsh County, and maybe a little bit up into Kittson County as well. It's quiet but very windy here in the FM area. Valley Skycam looking to the north as we have crystal clear skies here. Things are definitely different. As we take a look at your current readings out at Hector, temperatures are ranging. Well, let's see if we can get them to pop up here. Right now we are in the 80s. Let me go clap at my computer a little bit and see. Thank you, Andrea. 85 degrees right now, winds gusting to 24 miles per hour from the south-southeast, and a dew point in the 60s, so a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Look at the range of temperatures. It's in the mid-50s in the Devil's Lake Basin, so a cool pool of air here, and in the mid-90s in portions of South Dakota. So over a range of about 170 miles, we have a 40-degree difference in temperatures. Here is a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. Storms exiting Lake of the Woods and scattered showers and storms in northeast North Dakota are expected to continue. And as we set this into motion, we'll see hit-and-miss showers and storms up north as a warm front is pushing northward. You can notice the gusty south winds here on the warm side of the system. But overnight, we're going to pause here in the middle of the night and show you that some stout thunderstorm activity is possible out in the western and central Dakotas that will move into our area in the wee hours of the morning. So if you rise and shine to loud noises in the middle of the night, these storms could indeed contain large hail and some gusty straight line winds as well, even though your temperatures have been quite cool. That activity carries off into the morning hours, but by rise and shine time, most of it is pushing off to the north. South winds will be quite gusty. Temperatures in the mid-60s for many of us, which means up in our northern counties, you may actually warm up overnight as that warm air progresses northward. Now, heading into the midday hour, we're going to see south winds continue. More clouds across our region. I'm not expecting any near 90-degree temperatures as we go through your afternoon. We'll see hit-and-miss showers across our southern portion and northern portion. Devil's Lake may stay dry, as we'll have temperatures that will be closer to 80 in the south as opposed to 90 in the far south. Tomorrow evening, the shower chances continue for your Thursday night activities, so you may want to bring that umbrella. As far as severe weather goes tomorrow night, not looking towards it. Best chance of 80 degrees in the south. We'll see 65 to 70 from the Devil's Lake Basin into northwest Minnesota and in Lakes Country. Mid-70s expected there. Here's a look at wind speeds and gusts presently. A lot of that. Now let's move on to the Atlantic. We have Hurricane Florence, we have Tropical Storm Isaac, now Tropical Storm Joyce, and Hurricane Helene out there. Here's the latest on Florence. Now a Category 3, but gusts are still 150 miles per hour. Measurements of upwards of 40-foot waves with that system. It's expected to work its way towards the coast in the early hours of Friday as a Category 3, and now turn off to the south, which will rake much of the east coast out there with treacherous conditions. Tom sharing this roll log photo out here of a little bit of fun out in the dirt as the work continues with the harvest across the valley. Thanks, Tom, for uploading your photo. Evening thunder showers and showers across the area. We stay in the cooler 70s to close out the work week. How about your weekend forecast? Just a pinch of a chance of thunder on Saturday. Looks pretty good at 81. Windy and hot on Sunday with temperatures near 90 degrees. Sunday night into Monday will be our best chance of rain and showers, and that brings the cool pool of air to the valley with 60s for next week.
And a little bit drier weather, too.
Indeed.
Yeah, thanks, Seth.
Yes.